Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 30, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this Realme. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing iOS launcher. Now you need to download this free app from this developer and click on Open. Now click on While using the app, tap on Allow and select Home button. Over here, go into Settings, scroll down and choose App Management. Then select Default Apps and go into Home app. Click on iOS Launcher, tap on Got it. And as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!